How to mention someone on Instagram Story. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap Your Story in the top left corner. This will open the camera where you can take a photo or record a video. If you want to use an existing image, select one from your gallery. Once your photo or video is ready, there are two ways to mention someone. The first way is to use the text tool. Tap the AA text icon at the top, then type the @ symbol followed by the username of the person you want to tag. When their profile appears, select it, then tap Done. The second way is to use the mention sticker. Tap the sticker icon at the top, then look for the @mention sticker. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find it. Tap on the sticker, type the username, and select the correct account. Once you have mentioned the person, you can move and resize the text or sticker as needed. When everything looks good, tap Add to Story at the bottom to share it. The person you tagged will receive a notification and can repost your story if they want. That's how to mention someone on Instagram Story.